Merge two data frames by index. I have the following data frames. How do I merge on the indices to get? I ask because it is my understanding that merge i.e. df1.merge df2 uses columns to do the matching. In fact, doing this I get. Is it bad practice to merge on index? Is it impossible? If so, how can I shift the index into a new column called index?
Use merge, which is an inner join by default. Or join, which is a left join by default. Or concat, which is an outer join by default. Samples?
You can use concat df1, df2, axis equals 1, in order to concatenate two or more DFS aligned by indexes. Or merge for concatenating by custom fields, indexes. Or join for joining by index.
By default, join is a column-wise left join. pd.merge is a column-wise inner join. pd.concat is a row-wise outer join. pd.concat takes iterable arguments. Thus, it cannot take dataframes directly. Use df, df2, dimensions of dataframe should match along axis. Join and pd.merge can take dataframe arguments.
This answer has been resolved for a while and all the available options are already out there. However, in this answer I'll attempt to toss a bit more light on these options to help you understand when tells what. This post will go through the following topics. Merging with index under different conditions. Options for index-based joins: merge, join, concat, merging on indexes, merging on index of one, column of other, effectively using named indexes to simplify merging syntax. Index-based joins. TL, drive. There are a few options, some simpler than others depending on the use case. Dataframe.merge with left_index and right_index, or left_on and right_on using named indexes. Dataframe.join, joins on index. pd.concat, joins on index. Index to index joins. Typically, an inner join on index would look like this. Other types of joins, left, right, outer, follow similar syntax, and can be controlled using how equals ... Notable alternatives. Dataframe.join defaults to a left outer join on the index. If you happen to get value error columns overlap but no suffix specified, you will need to specify suffix and resuffix equals arguments to resolve this. Since the column names are same, a differentiating suffix is required. pd.concat joins on the index and can join two or more data frames at once. It does a full outer join by default. For more information on concat, see this post. Index to column joins. To perform an inner join using index of left, column of right, you will use dataframe.merge a combination of left underscore index equals true and right underscore on equals ... Other joins follow a similar structure. Note that only merge can perform index to column joins. You can join on multiple levels / columns, provided the number of index levels on the left equals the number of columns on the right. Join and concat are not capable of mixed merges. You will need to set the index as a pre-step using dataframe.set_index. This post is an abridged version of my work in Pandas Merging 101. Please follow this link for more examples and other topics on merging.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.